Jai beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be using a butterfly origami tutorial, and with this kind of tutorial you get 4 different ways to decorate the butterflies. You can make this in different sizes to achieve different results. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Welcome on the desk. Today we're going to be making these super cute butterflies. Now this origami tutorial, I've done a video, don't know if it's last year or the year before. I put the link at the end of the video so you guys can go and check it out. On that video, unfortunately I was a bit off camera. I just didn't realize as I was filming them, and to be fair, I didn't even realize as I was editing the video that I was off camera. So I've got a lovely comment from Edna, and I'll put a comment on the screen. Edna said, "Oh, Anthony, you're off camera." So I decided, well, let's do another version, because I just don't want to copy what has been done already. And also on that video, Billy Joe, and I will put Billy Joe's video on the screen, she suggested actually those butterflies can be used as bookmarks or paper clips. So I thought, why don't we make a paper clip, an altered paper clip butterfly origami. So I'll show you in just a minute how to make them, because the process of make this origami butterfly is exactly the same of what I've done in that video. But in the video I have used music sheets, music paper, and they will look really cute, because what I've done in that video, I used music sheet, music paper, and then I distressed all the bits with some distress ink, and they look really vintagey. So yeah, go and have a look at the end of the video. It just, again, some ideas. But what you need to do, when you go to this stage, you just need to put your paper clip. The top bit will cover it, but what you can do as well, you can either put a little bit of double side tape, so just to make sure if that bothers you. So if you literally put a little bit or double side tape in there, and then that's it, that's completely hidden, so you can't really see it now because I glued that on top. You, of course, you see the paper clip on the back, but because you need that tape put on your page anyway. But yeah, you can make jewelry, so if it's like used as an embellishment, you can dangle, if you use the dangle, you can dangle this way or that way. You can either do a paperclip version of that, so you just open it. I just put a ring in there, but before you put the ring, put the paperclip, close it, and then put the ring on top. Okay, I love that. That's a little dangle. What I did in here, this is my done a video with this a while ago. I used the Stampin' Up butterflies die set with some washi tape, and I create these butterflies. So I literally layer them one on top of another, and I think they're really pretty. They're really cute. You probably don't see a lot on the video, but they're very dimensional. This, they get a lot of 3D. And this one is a jeweled one. This is the button. I just chopped the end and just simply put some double side tape and glued it. Again, you can put a paper clip on here as well. Just be mindful that the paper clip, so the starting point of this project is a square. So as long as a square, you can just follow up this tutorial. For the paper clip to fit in here, where is it? That's the paper clip. The starting point has got to be at least 5 by 5 inches. If you do any less than 5.5 inches, the paper clip won't fit, because the butterfly will be too small, so your paper clip won't be able to fit in it. So yeah, you've got to have a little bigger pace, if it makes sense. A little bit, I can't speak, a bigger piece of paper. It's a tongue twist. So yeah, for the paper clip one is 5 by 5. For the rest, this was 3 by 3, 3.5 by 3.5. And those two were 5 by no, this was 6 by 6, and this one was 5 by 5. No, line, yes, no, line 6 by, no, this is 5 by, both 5 by 5. Yes, sorry, I'm getting my sense together. But yeah, I love them. So before I show you how to make them, let me show you the paper I have used. and then the tutorial straight after. Instead of me explain it, I'm just going to put some music and you can see how I made them. So guys, this is the kit. It's called Autumn Shabby, or Shabby Autumn, either way, I can't remember. It's a mini kit, so it's a set of 4 pages at £1.50, super cheap. And what I was thinking when I was designing this kit, I wanted to create, I'm not entirely sure what color you actually see on camera, but the color palette I picked for this mini kit, it's basically a combination of brown, beige and greens. So there is olive green, there is a little dark green, there is a pale green, there is more like a damask green. So it's a combination of that with the brown and the beige, with a little hint of red, more than red to be fair, and more like a pink. And I use the same palette throughout the pages. So this is page number 1. This is page number 2. So on here you could probably see, guys, the greens are standing up because Shabby Chic, the real original French Shabby, it's a combination of pastel colors with floral. So, but also you've got different texture. So I basically layer this, and on here you could probably see like a geometric motif. Looks like this was part of an architectural building, so I just cut it and layer them. And then on here you got again all your beige and your pink. This one here is probably my favorite page of the kit. So where you got this, again, this baroque curve from an architectural picture, and then all the flowers. And then on top of that I added some more like, not doodling, but more like a geometric flowers, if it makes sense. And on the bottom here you got some lace. So again, lace, this really nice baroque, is very shabby. And then the last page is this one, when I got these flowers on a wood background. So you can probably see the wood filigranes in there. Yeah, see there. So it's a really nice subtle pastel-y kit for some of you guys that I love dramatic contrast. I love things that very bright, very clashy. This is more settled, hence why it's got that shabby feel. Not something that I would design and print for myself, but I know there is a lot of you that like shabby. So yeah, this kit is for you. So once it's done, you open this little bit. This is completely up to you guys. If you want to fold it, you can either put a little glue in there. The reason in the crafty police, so even if you do origami and you want to use glue, nobody's gonna tell you off. So yes, so what you're gonna do, lift it that little bit up, and then that is where you put your paper clip. Okay, so put your paper clip there and then fold it up, and then it's completely up to you now if you want to leave it like that and that you've got a paper clip. So for example, if you have, I don't have any pages now, oh there it is, I use this one. So if you have a page, let's pretend that this is your page of your book, see this paper clip goes in there, and that you've got your bookmark or your paper clip. So yeah, love them, love making them. So easy. And also, you know, you can, with your finger, you can fold them even further. Like I always like to give them a bit of a dimension, so I always fold the wings like that. I mean, you can either, you know, do something like that and change. Honestly, have fun. So I'm gonna put them all together in here. And just to give you some variation. Okay guys, so before we go, big shout out goes to, first of all, to Edna and of course Billy Joe for commenting the previous video. And Billy Joe, thank you, because Billy Joe this month subscribed to my VIP lounge. So Billy Joe, welcome to my VIP lounge, thank you for your support. And today another shout out goes to the lovely Barbara. I will put the link, the comment on the screen now. Barbara said that she likes my video because I think about the box. I'm trying to give you different ideas. From this project, I gave you 4 variation, because this is all about just give you some ideas. And also, if you want to purchase the kit, the link will be down below. And of course, we're going to finish the video with a quote from my 365 days of calm. So today it's number 10. So it says, start each day with a grateful heart. Absolutely. So on your to-do list is make sure you start each day with a grateful heart. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. Really helps with the channel here on YouTube. If you guys need more inspirations and the answer is yes, please feel free to check out those 2 videos when we made some more beautiful butterflies, decorations and embellishment. Again, feel free to click on one of those. If you're not already, please consider subscribe to my channel. This channel's got loads of different ideas and inspirations, so feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you on Friday for another very special Friday freebie. Mwah. Bye.